If the tail light or the brake light on your Honda Fit is not working, it's likely that the bulb has blown out. The bulb has two filaments, one for the brake light and one for the tail light. I'll replace the bulb on the 2010. I bought a pair of aftermarket bulbs, model 7443, for about $9 at an auto supply store. If you want to buy your bulb from a Honda dealer, the part number is on this slide. Currently, a package of 10 are $5.47. That part number is listed for these years of the Honda Fit. Open the rear hatch and look for a panel behind the tail light. Look for a slot along the edge of the panel. Use a wide blade flat screwdriver and a soft cloth and pry the panel open. The socket for the brake light tail light bulb is this one. Grab the back of the plastic socket and turn it counterclockwise, a quarter turn, then pull it out. Pull the bulb out of the socket, and you might have to wiggle it around and work it this a little bit, so hold onto the socket piece and wiggle the bulb back and forth. And since this is an incandescent bulb, you can touch it. It won't hurt it. Simply push the new bulb in place. Doesn't matter which way. The base is identical. The most difficult part is putting the bulb in place. Notice that it's keyed. It has one larger key and three smaller ones. Before you put it in place, probably be a good idea to test both the brake light and your tail light. To put it back in place, position that large key towards this screw. So put it in place so that the keys fit in, and then turn it about a quarter turn clockwise. It'll snap into place. Line the three tabs that are on the panel piece up with the three holes, and then snap it into place. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.